Again, in our anti-gravity tutorial, we have arrived to about us section. So about us will have who you are or who we are, mission and vision and core values. Okay. To make this, we will see new features of anti-gravity named workflows. We saw it in the previous videos, but in this video we'll practice on it. Okay, so I added here a little the other definition for workflows. I said a workflow is saved pipeline. Instead of explaining a long process to the AI every time, you save those steps once and trigger them by typing backslash in the chat. Okay, so yeah, what is workflows, or when we will do a workflow when we have like steps, okay, to do, okay, not single instruction, okay, multiple instructions, okay, ordered instructions. I make here two examples, slash review or backslash review. Read a new code, read your new code, check for security holes, ensure it follows your style guide. Imagine, for example, we have another rules about security of our code. Okay, when we click, oh, okay, so security, uh, we will not do it uh, at every time. Okay, we generate the code with security now. Okay, we try to generate 3, 4, 5 functions, or the all functions that are related uh, between that are related yeah, between this function. Then we'll make the security. Okay, so we will write backslash review in our chat to make these steps. Okay, or another one, better one, update docs. You know that every project, it should have be documentations. Okay, and we not generate documentation every time. Okay, we generate when we have think to make a documentation on it. Okay, so we can make such update docs automatically find update readme based on your latest code changes. Okay, why I say this to now the difference between workflows versus rules. Okay, rules are the passive backgrounds, like always use Python, that AI follows automatically without being asked. Okay, I will not ask you each time that you use Python. Okay, so here we make a rule. Workflows are active custom tools like fix bugs that only run when you specifically trigger them. So when you ask them to perform the task, okay? For example, fix bugs, make documentations, or commenting, make comment, or something like this. Okay, so when we make workflows, when we have multiple steps, okay, we have pipeline or a workflow that named with this name workflow, or we use this instruction when we want. Okay, when we want. Okay, is not always. Okay, so yeah, this is a workflow. If not understand workflow, you can make me in the comments. So we'll practice this on our about us. Okay, what I did, I generate PDF. Okay, I make it in asset, company profile PDF. Okay, here is the PDF. Okay, I will. Here is the PDF portfolio, Libina Studio, founder Amin. Here is the table of content. Here is some definition. We have 43 page. It's a long page that will take time, but yeah, we'll do it. So what we will do, I generate this in this our workflow in Markdown. We don't forget markdown. So our forgot is one about section workflow. Okay, I will copy this. Content, use only PDF named company profile .pdf and as the main source. Why? Because maybe we have a lot of PDFs. Okay, to orient the agent that use this PDF in your other files if they have any. Extract and update content. Do not copy raw text. Okay, I want it text different than the text there is in PDF. Steps: analyze the PDF, read company profile PDF. Okay, here is the steps. Understand the company information. Okay, extract structured company story, mission, vision, count values. Rewrite the content, generate EE content, design layout, implementation. I will remove implementation. Why? Because we have it in our rules. Okay, output, complete about us section, ready to use, production, ready code. Okay, here is our steps or our workflow. I will copy all this. Okay, Control C. We make it in this 3 points, customizations, workflows. We have global and workspace. Global, as we said, it will be to all projects. You can use it for any project that you have in this machine, but if we make it in WordPress, it will be used only in this project. Okay, I will name it sorry, I will name it about section. Okay, there is description like content. For me, I will make it in the content. Okay, in markdown. Okay, nice. You can make description or you cannot. Okay, as you want. There is workflows about sections. So what we will do now, okay, Control S, we back to the agent and this we make backslash about section. Okay, you can write about section or you can directly mention here the file. Okay, if you mention file is the same thing, you write slash about section. Okay, is the same thing. I will click enter. I think that's all. Okay, enter. This process will be take time. Okay, so I try to speed the video. Okay, let's make here initiating task execution. What the hell will do? Initiating task execution. I am now ready to begin the next specific step to make progress toward the goals. And we will move carefully so as not to skip any details. Okay, proceeding with file and exception. I am now proceeding the next stage. Okay. Okay, now it search the company profile PDF that we made in our workflow. Initiating task execution. Okay, task that he didn't do in the first one. Okay, normally he will do it in every uh, instruction or question or prompt I give to the agent. Why? Because we are in the planning mode. Okay, we are in the planning mode. Okay, uh, I don't know what he didn't make it, but it's voilà, it's the chance to explain it. So here is the PRD that I talked about in our first video. Okay, so what he will make, the steps he will make. So read and analyze company profile PDF, yes. Extract structured content, yes. Design and implement EE for yes. added styling and interactive element to script context. Exactly. Okay. Starting, we will start with first one. Normally, I will say if the to-do list, this task is good or not, and then he will begin execute. But here he will execute directly. I think because it's a simple task, so he didn't mention directly. Okay, so I will revise uh, my parameters and settings. Okay, maybe I change it. But if you uh, stop is sorry, the agent is stopped. Okay, you say in chat that the task is good. Okay, uh, and click enter. So the agent directly will begin executing this task. Okay, if the task is not good, for example, you don't want to execute one steps or other another, or you want to add fifth steps or make another step between one and two or between two and three, you can mention directly work in this chart that added in the task, for example, this instruction or these steps. Okay, and the agent will directly do this, and we will see this in the next one, inshallah. Okay, in the next component. Okay, good. Agent still working. We see always in this location. Okay, if the agent is stopped because the error or because it's waiting for your instruction or your confirmation. Okay, so we see always in this place. He made here a read PDF from py. Okay, we'll see it. There is some errors in this file. Perhaps he will correct it automatically. Perhaps now. Okay, we will see. Okay, this PDF to install libraries. Okay, that will help the agent read the PDF. Okay, and he name it read PDF.py in Python uh, language. Okay, we'll see. We'll we still in the first one, read and analyzed company profile PDF. Yeah, so it is waiting. He may waiting. So it's wait our confirmation or our instruction. So he said Python read PDF.py. Okay, but read PDF.py. Oh, okay. He wants to read this file to extract the information to read PDF. Okay, we'll execute run this command. Running. Okay, he will read PDF. Okay, Docker Center. Okay, here is the page. Okay, from the first page of portfolio, Bin Studio founder. Okay, all thing is do. Here is the other page. Okay, good. It's running. So I think okay, he corrected this error. Okay, good. We're still in the first one. Okay, now it's make different structure, content and planning layout. Okay, analyzed index.html to see what in it to add the next code. Okay, now to make analyzed of script.js. If he can add some animation or interactive element as we said here. Okay. I think in the end we will make update to this task file. Okay. Uh, in this vibe coding, you will not code, but you will wait. You you will wait for a long time. Okay, but I think it's better to code it yourself. Okay, that will take a longer time. Okay, after all this time, so we will create a payment plan. You see it in this. So about this one is paired, not this one. This file is to-do list. The real PRD is this one. Okay. So about us section, we can modify and expand HTML structure to row, bottom row. Here is how will you will, he will modify the layout. Okay. Vacation plan, automatic test. Okay, didn't say to make tests. Okay, he will do it. It's fine. Okay, so we will wait again until he will execute all of these instructions. Okay, I think he's finished. So implementation plan, progress update, stacking text, different structure. Okay, the task. Okay, so requesting user review. I have analyzed company profile and extracted core information about us. I have formulated company story, mission, vision, and core values that align with our genuine heritage. Okay, please review the implementation plan. Now I will review the implementation plan. Okay, uh, he not generated the code yet. Uh, okay, which details? Okay, so we will read the implementation plan. I will see if what in it is okay. The layout is good. Okay. Uh, yeah, then I will say if there is any update, I will write directly in the chat update this thing or add this thing. Okay, directly in the chat. I will say added in the implementation this thing. Okay. In the next video, inshallah, we will do this. We will modify implementation from the chat and from the comment. Okay, we will see if the comment uh, will be in consideration when generating the code. Okay, will affect the code or not. Okay, for now I will say okay. Will accept what is generated in implementation plan in the red PDF and in the task. Okay, for now, he made the second, but he didn't make he didn't finish the first. Okay, I say all things is okay. We can we can proceed to the next step, or to the next step. Next step. Okay, enter. Okay, so for you, I think for each question or each prompt, he will generate the task and implementation. You review the implementation. If all things is okay, you will say that it's okay and to go, or the agent proceed to the next step. Okay, so he will begin the HTML, continue section integration, logic session placement. Okay, refining the code placement. Okay, thinking, just completing code integrations. It will make all these modifications. Okay, is a task, so task. He finished the first one, he makes the third and fourth one. Okay, he task. Okay, he will he edits the task by checking the first one and beginning the third and the fourth. So okay, so I think it's finished the HTML, the coding HTML. Okay, it says to accept. We can wait to accept all the file HTML, the modification of HTML file and JS file, or accept it one by one. Okay, we can accept HTML for now and wait for JS. I think for JS to update also. Okay, JS. Okay, accept JS modification here. Okay, accept all. Okay, now he will verify if all it's all right. Okay, now let's confirm task completion. Okay, he will edit the task. He'll make a workflow. Okay, workflow is another document he will generate in the end of each task. Okay, to make summary on what he did. Okay, so in workflow, uh, he did. I have finished implemented about a section based on the company profile PDF. I created a robust grid layout containing company story, mission, vision, and distinct curriculum area for the core values, as said in implementation plan. Corvallis also added sleek interaction observer in script.js, so everything linked this slide into view when you scroll down to it. You can preview the changes by opening index.html in your browser. I have also put together a short walkthrough MD Markdown file with summary of the work done. As I said, let me know if you would like any tweaks. Okay, okay, good. So we will see our index finally. Okay, good. Here is section about us, mission, vision. Okay, but there is problem here. We can't read all the mission. Okay, core values. Okay, good. There is some animation. Okay, there is uh, there is problem in this area. Okay, we can read the mission. Okay, in this is good, is good. Okay, it will be uh, the subject of our next video. Okay, so here we see how to use workflows. Yeah, okay, we said what is a workflows. We saw how to use it. I will give you Another example of workflows. Okay, workflows we use it if we did with external files. I will give you an example. Okay, uh, and I will give you a real example. What I did workflows to build my portfolio. Okay, I said I make steps. Okay, uh, to scale out my LinkedIn profile. Okay, so in LinkedIn, I have some sections, not all sections, uh, that talk about me or about my work, what I do. Okay, my works. Okay, so I made a plan or steps or workflow pipeline. I said to go to the LinkedIn page. Okay, if you can access the LinkedIn profile, you can begin scrapping. If not, give me notification that you cannot open because I didn't log in this in that browser. Okay, so yeah, I made the login here. Enter into my profile page, LinkedIn profile page. I said to go to this section, not all sections. There is some sections I don't want to make information about them. I want very specific sections. Okay, so yeah, I make in the plan. Uh, uh, Extract the information in this section 1, 2, and 3. He will script it. Then change the format to professional format. Then I can put in my portfolio. Okay, because in portfolio we should to be direct. Okay, in LinkedIn you can make some details. Why? In portfolio, when the recruiter or someone reads what your job or what you did, it's good to make it direct to not waste time. Okay, 5 minutes he will understand all things that you do. Okay, LinkedIn you can make some paragraphs or some detail in there. Okay, if he wants other informations or uh, how to say this, additional informations. Okay, yeah, so I said this, and in to change the tone, make it also make a summary about it and change the tone, and then put it in portfolio in professional way, and make the design in this way also. Okay, so yeah, here is the steps. Okay, web scraping steps and extracting steps, and put it in portfolio, my portfolio, and in the end use it. Okay, so these are another example how you can benefit of uh, workflow. Okay, inshallah you understand what is a workflow, what the difference between workflow and the rules. See you in the next video with the next feature.